So I want to do a quick demo of Zeo Skin Health's new product, the Growth Factor Eye Serum. So now when you're applying this, you shouldn't have to use your fingers. It comes with a really nice cooling tip applicator. So I just do one pump for each eye. So just one pump and then apply to clean skin. And when you're doing it, you can kind of just get the product on and do circular motions. Now this will help with puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, wrinkles. You can see you don't apply pressure, so just do little, light pressure. You want to be delicate around the eye, but little circular motions around the eye area, which helps with circulation, lymphatic drainage, and that'll also improve dark circles. Don't forget the top as well. So I do one, nice. So again, just circular motions all around the orbital bone. Don't forget the tops of the eyelids as well, which can also appear very tired and heavy, puffy, fine lines, wrinkles. So this has botanical as well as enzymatic stem cells, that patent Zeo growth factor technology, which also has neuropeptides, hydration. I really look at it more like an eye treatment versus an eye cream. If you feel like you need additional hydration, you can layer your favorite eye cream over it. So other side, just one pump, again, applying. You can first just get the product down there, smooth it out, and then just do your little circles. So this is really nice, again, getting those growth factors, hydration. So I find there's enough product for me to just use. Again, I'm not using my fingers, which uses less product because it doesn't absorb on my fingertips. So I just put, my area of concern is more the under eye area. So feel free to focus on what your area of concern is, but do not forget the entire orbital bone. So again, just very light. You don't want to apply pressure. Light circular motions. So again, starting from the inside and just working your way out. Now, if you have the time, it's great. At night, I focus more on this. Obviously, your mornings may be a little more busy and streamlined, but I just kind of stress the fact that this is more of an eye treatment. It's not just a serum, and nothing compares to it. So enjoy, and again, Happy New Year.